안녕하세요. 림페이시 싱가포르 사무라이 desu. 네, 안녕하세요 여러분들. So I placed myself under 7 days of self-imposed quarantine before my flight to Singapore, right, which is happening in 2 days' time. And over the 7 days at home, just to prevent COVID, because if I get COVID, I can't get onto the plane, very obvious reason. I just want to make that 7 days at home count, you know, like make it mean something. Oh, my hair, early in the morning. So I decided to create the most hellish training program that I ever can in order to get shredded within 7 days, okay? And this was what I achieved. Check it out. And so this was what I did. So I record everything I need to do on a daily basis on my black notebook here. My Getting Richer, Stronger, Better notebook. Of my exercises sessions, it's time to do my protein. In between each session, I like to do 20 grams of protein, and I prefer this excess protein from Nutrilite. And why? Because it comes in a sachet like this, which you just drop in the water. Boom, that's 20 grams right there. No messy spoons, no getting powder all over the place. I really love this. You guys can help my channel out by you can buy this from the link in the description. Oh, I can barely talk. 4.7 kilo. Thighs are so painful. I can barely walk or this thing anymore. So yeah, I gotta do some of this foam roller thing. Roll out some of these muscles. So this is day 5, and wow, amazingly, I thought I'm gonna be in so much pain I can't get out of bed, but no. Amazingly, yesterday was the most painful day, and today all the pain just disappeared, and I just feel extremely strong. My legs are strong, body feels strong. So day 5, lunchtime. Again, the only proper meal I have for the day is tacos with a lot of chicken. Oh man, this is afternoon workout on day 7, the final day. Tell you guys the truth, I really wanted to give up since yesterday. 4 to 5 hours of training every day on just one meal. Oh man, I'm so glad this is the final day. Ganbatte. lunch on my final day of training, I have curry chicken with kimchi. Okay, so after 7 full days of intense workout, oh, so after 7 full days of hell, this is the final result. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Completely different, completely shredded. Oh, even the belly fat barely exists anymore. Look at that. Can even see some abs right now. Of course, you know, you can't expect to see like all shredded and six pack because I'm mid-40s and this is just 1 week. But I think 1 week of extreme intense workout on just 1 meal a day, this is probably the best I can ever do. I'm gonna tell you guys, this doesn't feel good. This is very like, yet last night and the night before I could barely sleep anymore because my body's burning up and I'm hungry and everything. So definitely this is not a good thing to do. I'm not advising anyone to follow this routine, but you know, this is what I'm able to achieve, right? So yeah. Guys, don't try this at home. No.